Hello learners, Professor Eidson is back with another tutorial. And you know, I like to learn and have fun. And today we're going to have a lot of fun learning about alphabets, or the very basics. There's a lot of things to be said about alphabets. So, what in the world is that thing? Don't worry about this little thing in the corner. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll have to hack into the mainframe and figure that out. You know, so it's kind of in the way though. It's fine, just don't mind it. So let's begin. So you'll notice on the chart F0 equals A. So I'd like to introduce you to the numbers in alphabets, which are blue, and the letters, which are red, which that will be very important later. So just remember that. So F0 is equal to A. Think of this as a kind of a number line. So you know, on a number line you have, you know, like -1. That's not where it is. -1, -2, -3. You have 1, 2, 3. And these are just kind of, you know, different versions, you could say, of it, you know. -1 is equal to 1, well, it's not. -1 is 1 times -1, so forth. But, okay, that was a bad example, okay. Nobody's perfect. So, yeah, so think of this. F0 equals A, F1 equals B, F2 equals C, so on. This is a little chart error. There's a ... here, but not ... on this side. Just know that this goes forever. This goes forever. So let's look at this little equation. So this equation is actually wrong. Nobody's perfect. So this in alphabet actually goes here. So it's a letter, parentheses, in alphabet. And this should be a plus. It's just a mistake on my end. Nobody's perfect. So, sorry. So, let's go back to learning. So let's take a look. Let's take an example of this. So if we take our F number, right? Let's say F3. So we go to the third letter in the alphabet. So A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. C is the third letter of the alphabet. And then we add 1. So F3 is equal to D. And the reason we do that +1 is because A is F0 instead of F1. So we have to kind of account for that little offset. So let's try a few example problems. What? It's fine. Okay. So I had a little bit of a scare there. I already had it saved in my files though, so it's okay. So let's take an example. F4, let's say, is equal to what? I'll give you some time to think about it. And when you've thought of your answer, you just pause, hit the pause button on the video. And when you get your answer, comment it down below. I think that's, you know what I say, I like to learn and have fun. I think that's a fun way to engage with you guys because you guys are awesome. And yeah, so think about this for a minute. Alright, you have your answer? F4. So let's work it out together. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's about as far as we're going to need to go. So let's count to the 4th letter of the alphabet. So we'll do 4 hops. So 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hop, 4 hop. No. So we're going to have to start on like an invisible thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th letter of the alphabet is D. Okay, so then because according to our formula, we add 1. So D plus 1, which is the 4th, plus 1 is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So F4 is equal to E. If you got it right, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Stay tuned for future tutorials. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Don't worry. There's plenty of more fun and learning to be had. So, give me a minute here. I'm just going to erase this problem. So let's think of it like normal math. In Alphabits, you can also do adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. Although dividing and subtracting are for more advanced alphabet knowledge acquirers like me. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna do a multiplication and an addition problem, and then I'll do a really hard addition problem at the end to close off the lesson. So we have F2 plus F3 equals, so you just do this like normal addition, F5. So now let's think. F2 plus 1, because of our formula, so we'd go to the 3rd letter in the alphabet. 1, 2, 3. So F2 is equal to C. F3 is equal to D, so 1 step higher. And F5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6th letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is F. So now we can actually substitute these letters in because they're equal. So this equation is also C plus D equals F. So that's an example of a traditional alphabet addition problem. So now what if instead of F2 plus F3, we do F2 times F3? Well, we do it the same way. 2 times 3 is 6. F6, sorry. A little curl on there. So we count to the 6 plus 1 is 7. So we count 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So G. If you remember, this is C and this is D. And so, whoops, C times D equals G. Okay, time for the very, very, very difficult question. We're going to go big numbers on this, so get ready. Go away! Okay, there we go. So we're going to do this. F10 plus F7 equals what? I'll give you some time to figure it out. Pause, press the pause button. Bottom left, or I think you can just click on the screen nowadays. Figure this out. Give me a minute. Okay, your time is up. If you guessed, well, actually there's 2 equations. So this is equal to F17. Yep. So we count. If you want to find out the letter, Sorry, I guess I'm using the Bandicam. Oh yeah, there it is, unregistered. So I can only record up to a little below 10 minutes, I'm pretty sure. I'm very sorry about that. We're going to continue on where we left off. Sorry for like the cut. I don't exactly know the terminology for editing. I'm kind of new to it. So anyway, F10 plus F7 equals F17. So we're going to take this logic. So we're going to do our equation. 10 plus 1 is 11, so we're going to do the 11th letter of the alphabet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or should I say alphabet? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not what I meant to do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. This is K plus, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H equals 17. So we're going to go to the 18th letter of the alphabet. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So K plus, that was a sus R. So this equation is the exact same as this one, as you probably know. Kind of driven to the ground. Sorry about that. Nobody's perfect. So that's the end of the basics. I'm gonna draw a cool little logo. Watch this. That's the end of the basics. For now, make sure to tune into other episodes. Hashtag 1 basics. We'll give like this cool glow. Okay, so that's the end of this episode. Make sure to tune in next time to my next video, where we'll learn and have fun. That's what I always say. And also what I always say, hit the subscribe button, like the video, hit that bell for new episodes to be added right into your inbox. And comment what you thought of the video. Professor Eidson, out.